Sir, my screen is visible? Yes. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. So, today I'm going to take about the topic is string operations, string methods, and functions. These are the topics we are going to see today. So, I hope you people are learned last 2 days session the basic Python introduction topics. So today's topic is string. In this string, we are going to see about string slices, immutability, string functions and methods, string modules. So string. So what is string? A string is a sequence of character. A character is simply a simple symbol. So in this string is uh, string may contain it is alphabets, numbers, or and special character. So usually strings are enclosed with single quotes or double quotes. We have to enter the strings within the single quote or double quote. This is the way we have to uh, uh, enter the code. Okay, for example, a equal to within the single quotes, we have to write a set of characters. This is a string. Okay, either it is a single quote or it is a double quote. String is a immutable. Immutable in nature is immutable. It is nothing but is you cannot change the position. Um, each and every character has a uh, own position. It is the first character a equal to hello world. Within the single quotes, we have a set of character hello world. So first letter it is a position is a of 0. Okay, it is a zeros position, and next one is a 1, next one is a 2, L is a 2, and another L is a 3, another O is a 4, another space is also it is considered for it is a position 5. W is a 6 and O is a 7. This is the way we have to write the position. So a string is a immutable means it is we cannot change the position. Okay. So in the inbuilt string functions, Python mainly contains three inbuilt functions. We have in the many inbuilt functions are there, but it's a mainly we are going to discuss in len function, max function, min function. So len function is a find out the length of characters in the strings. Length of characters means the total number of characters. It is it's present in the strings, the total number of characters. So the length means it is based on the ASCII values. So min functions means the smallest value in a string based on the ASCII value. And max function, it returns the largest value in the strings based on the ASCII value. So ASCII value means it is each and every character has a own ASCII value. This capital A is a 65 and B is a 66. Capital B is a so similarly, and small letter A is a 97, small letter B is a 98. So same way, the again ASCII value it is converted to binary form. Okay, each and every character stored in computer system it is a binary format. Computers knows only a zeros and one format. Okay, so each and every character stored in the zeros and one format. So first converted to ASCII value and then converted to binary form. Okay, so each and every character as a ASCII value, and ASCII value again converted to the binary value. Okay, so for example, inbuilt string function. This is the way we have to write the program. See, name equal to input within double quotes. Enter your name. Say within the double quotes, what we are writing. So it is a displayed one. It is a, we can user can see the characters, see the set of strings. So print function is return the print the statement. Okay, within the double quotes welcome comma name. It is a name means it is a variable name is a variable, name equal to input. It is a double quotes enter your name. This is the this input is used as to enter the value. Okay, then print length of your name. The length function it's calculate the total number of characters present in the strings. The len function returns the total number of characters present in the string functions. Another print statements, maximum value of character in your name. Some max functions, a name is a variable. This variables contains the user input. Okay, this name, it's contain the user input. Then print function, next print functions, a minimum value character in your name, min of name. This name contains the mm, this name also contains the user input. Okay, so this is the output. The first one is enter your name. The first, the name, the user has to enter the value. Enter your name. Here the name is a Prabhaharan. So welcome Prabhaharan. This is a print statement as to executed. The Prabhaharan. Length of characters. So total number of characters present in the string is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total character is 11 character. But the position starts to 0 to 10. So total number of character is totally it is 11 characters. So maximum value of character in your names, it is R. Why? Because it is based on the ASCII value. So what is R value here? It is total number of the R is a highest value. P value is 80. R value is 82. Okay, what is a value? It is 65. So based on the ASCII value, it returns a it returns the uh, maximum value of the character in your name is a maximum value. Max functions returns the maximum value. It is based on the uh, ASCII value. So it is a highest value. It is R. So minimum value of character in your name is A. So A value, it is 65. Okay. Next one is string concatenations. String concatenations. This string concatenations functions. It is plus operators used for the string concatenation. The plus operator is it is concatenate the two strings. Concatenate means it's join or combine the two strings. For example, this is the way we have to write the program. A equal to, what is A here? It is a variable. A equal to, within the double quotes we have to write a set of character. The set of character is called a string. Okay, B equal to, within the double quotes we write the some set of character. It is also one another string. The two string we have to combine. So how we have to combine? The next variable C equal to A plus B. What is A have? A is stored in hi and B is stored in how are you. So both both strings we can combine. So A plus B, we use the operator. It is a plus operator is used for the concatenation operations. These are the string operations. Then print C. In C variable, what is the value stored in C variable? A plus B. Okay, what is the variable what is the value stored in C? It is a plus B. A value it holds C hi, and B value it holds C how are you. So totally hi and how are you. So print C equal to, so print C is a C. This is a code here. A equal to hi, B equal to how are you, C equal to A plus B. Print C is a hi, how are you. It display the it returns a value hi, how are you. Okay. Operators on string. So next operator is a multiple operator. So multiple operator, it is a multiple operations. See, it can create a multiple concatenated copies. It can create a multiple star operator. It is used for, it is a multiple concatenated copies. It returns the multiple concatenated copies. So within the double quotes we written some state, right? Oh, see, it is a Python star 10. It is star 10 means what? It is 10 times we have to print the statement, print the characters. So what is a set of character here? It is a Python. So Python 10 times it is printed. Okay. So next one is a string slicing. String slicing operations is used to return, select or slice a particular substring based on your user requirement. A segment of string is called a slice. Slice means what? It is a start and see each and every character has a own position value. See, first character has a 0, second character 1, and third one 2. Like that it goes on. So last again the negative slicing means it is a last character is -1 and -2, -3. It goes on like that. So s equal to hello. S equal to hello. Within the double quotes, return some uh, set of character. It is called a string. The hello, what is a hello position? H position is 0, E position is 1, LL 2, 3 and 4. So totally 5 character. So length of string is 5 and the placing position is 0 to 4. Okay, then S of what is S? S is a variable, right? So S of 1:4. It returns E. What is a 1 position? E. And what is a 4th position? O. But so 1 to 4, it is a starting position and it is a ending position. So this is the way we have to write the code. But 4, not 4, it returns E, only the 3. Up to 3, how to display the code. So the first starting position is E, L, L. It returns the L, L up to L, L. Not written the O value. Okay. So if you write 1:3 means it returns the EL. It returns the EL up to EL. So it not written the third position. Okay, not written the fourth position. So the same way, S of 1:, means 1 is the first position up to n value. So colon means up to n value. So up to n value means what? It is a 4. It is the fourth position. Up to fourth position is it returns a value. See, what is the first position? E, L, L, O. Next one is a S of colon. S of colon. S of colon means S of it is a starting to end position. S of colon means it is also starting to end position. Say it is a starting to end position. S of colon, single colon also it returns the entire string character. Colon also it is a entire, it returns the entire string character. So S of 1:100, 100 there is no, the last portion name is it is 4, it is not 100, but anyway it returns the entire character. So S of negative indexing. See, negative indexing colon -3. What is the last position? -1, -2, -3. Up to -3. See, it returns the starting position is 0. So, it returns not return the -3 position. Before the -3 position is a -2. So some O and L. Okay, H and so it is a minus H and E. Okay. Strings are immutable. Immutable, it is a characteristic. These strings are immutable characteristic. It is a once a string is generated, you cannot change any character within the string. So string position, it means that it is a string position. Immutable means it is a you cannot change the position value. So a equal to a is a variable. A equal to within the double quotes. It is a string set of character. What is a of 0? A of 0 is a P. What is a of 0 value here? It is a P. A of 0, you cannot P value, you cannot change the B value. You cannot change. If you write the B, it is written the error. It show me the error. So A of 0, its position is P value. You cannot change the place value. String comparison. Next operation is a string comparison. We can compare two strings using the comparison operator such as equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal to. So Python compares a string based on the corresponding ASCII value. So it is based on the ASCII value, we can compare the string operations. So for example, the first variable stores some value. It is value name is green. Second variable, it holds a value. It is a black. So the green and black total value is, what is the green value? Based on the ASCII value, we have to calculate it. The ASCII value here. See, this is what is G value? Small letter G value. G is a 103 plus, R R value 114, E value 101, again E value 101 plus 101 101, n value plus n value. What is n value? It is 1110. So total value, it's based on set of total value. It's a wholesome addition of value. So based on the second variable value, it is a black spelling. It is a BLACK. What is B value? B value here 98 plus, L value 108, A value 97, C value 93 plus K value, it is uh, it is 107. See the addition of these value. So based on these value, we can see if you write the print statement, is both equal, is both equal. How we have to check the based on this operator, equal operator. Str equal, str1 equal to str2. What is str? Str1 is a one variable, first variable. Str2 is a second variable. It holds a value green value, and str2 it is holds a black value. It is both are equal. No, see, green value is higher, I think. So STR1 greater than STR2. Is STR1 greater than STR2? Yes, because green value is the addition of green value, it is higher. And is STR1 less than STR2? No, it is false. So output here is both equal. It is false. STR1 greater than STR2, it is true. STR1 less than STR2, it is a false. Okay. So based on the ASCII value, it is the comparison operator is working. String formatting operator. String formatting operator, we have to use the percentage operator to for find the unique strings. So for example, my name is print. My name is percentage s. It's percentage s means what? It returns the string value. And I secured a percentage d. It is a integer data type. So I think you learned the last class a data type topic, I think. See, in data type, what we learned, it is integer data type, string data type, double, float. These data types and all we learned, right? So integer data type, it holds the integer value. String data type, it is holds the character values. Character values. Percentage d marks in Python percentage. So it returns a value. Arbas, it is a percentage. It returns a value. It is arbas, and in 92 it is returns a value. It is percentage d. Okay, it is a percentage d. It is holds the integer value. Integer means it is a numerical value. Okay, so percentage is a formatting operator. Sir. The system can only know the based on the operator alone. It is a what kind of a data type the user given. It is based on the percentage d or percentage f, percentage s, percentage I, percentage c. So based on this only, the system can understand the what kind of data user entered. Okay, so string functions and methods. These are the string functions and methods. First one is a len function, min function, max function, is al num function, is alpha functions, is digit, is lower, is upper, is space. So these are the functions and methods of string, and these functions are the built-in functions. So these functions are already written in Python library. Okay, we can use functions in a program. Okay, so converting string functions. First one is a capitalized function. So capitalized functions only first character capitalized. If we write this function only used for the first, if you use the total 5 lines of sentence. Only the first character alone we have to capitalize. We call the function name. This is a capitalized function. Next one is a lower function. So all characters converted to lowercase. Next upper function is all character converted to uppercase. Title function is the first character capitalized in each word. First character capitalized in each word. So capitalized functions only the first character capitalized, and title function is the first character capitalized in each word. So swap case is lowercase letters are converted to uppercase, and uppercase letters are converted to lowercase. We can the case we can use a swap case functions. Replace function. So replace function is a first replace old string uh, with a new string. So replace means replace the whole string with the new string. See, if you want to write a new string, so yeah, that the case where you can call the replace functions. See, this is an example for uh, Python program. Str, what is str here? It is a variable equal to input, enter any string. So input is a user has to enter the input. So user has to enter the value here. So print string capitalized. We call the string function name str means it is a variable. Dot means dot is a method. Dot we have to call the function we have to use dot operator. Okay, if you use a function we have to call the function in your program we have to call the we have to use dot operator. This str dot capitalized function, this line is called a method. Okay, capitalized method. So str dot lower, str dot upper. This is the way we have to define the method. Okay, str dot title function, str dot swap case function, str dot replace function. Okay, see see the output here. So enter any string. See user have to enter the string here. So user input is welcome to Python. String capitalized. String capitalized means it is welcome to Python. So first character alone it is a capital letter word. So string lowercase, now all characters converted to the lowercase. See, even first character also it is converted to the lowercase. String uppercase it is all characters converted to the uppercase. Then string title case, the first character each word and first character alone it's a capitalized word. So welcome W is a capital letter word and T is a capital letter word too, and Python so P is a capital letter word. String swap case. If it is the last printed statement, welcome to Python, the first character it is a capital letter, it is converted to small letter, and remaining things it is a capital letter. So string replace case, welcome to Python programming. We can replace a Python and Python. Say it is a enter string is a Python. It's converted to Python programming. It is a replace character as a old string and it is a new strings. We have to in the way we have to write a program. Python is a old character, old string, and Python programming is a new string. Next, formatting string functions. Formatting it is the we we have to format the entire strings. This is a functions for formatting functions. So, first one is a center function, ijs function, rjs functions a format. This center functions return the string centered in the field of given width. So, for example, see. The enter any string, the given string is welcome. The center alignment, it is a dot center, it is a method. A dot center function we call the center position is 20 space. You can move the 20 space from starting to 20 space. We can center the position. And left alignment and a dot left l just. Right alignment r just. Okay, so we have to give the bit size. Okay, so this is a way a equal to input, In the enter any string, we have to give the user has to give the input here. Print center alignment. Center alignment a dot center. Center is a function name. In within the bracket, we have to give the with position, with size. So here we are giving the 20. So 20 space we have to give the center position, and left justification it is a right justification. Left justification 20% and right justification again move to the 20 space. Okay. So next one is a strip function. Strip functions it removing the white space characters. It is a L strip, the left hand side removing the white space character, and R strip is written the strings with the trailing white space character removed. Um, returns a strip functions it returns a string with the leading of and trailing white space characters removed. See, L strip it is a left hand, and R strip is a right hand. And strip generally strip function is removing the white space characters. So this is a way right to program a equal to input, enter any string, it is a user input. So print a dot L strip. L strip functions it returns the uh, left hand side the trim the white space. It remove the white space character. See, the first input is we given the space here, so it remove the white space. And right hand side next function is a R strip. So R strip is a right hand side. It strip the function, and so strip functions is both left and right trim. So finally it is a uh, output is left and right trim here. So testing string and character. Testing string and characters is alpha num. These string methods, string functions, it returns the uh, uh, it returns true if all character in strings are alphanumeric. So alnum is alnum. It checks the condition is returns if returns only if so all the character is alphanumeric, then there is at least one character. Okay, all character in strings are alphanumeric, and there is at least one character. It returns true. When it returns true, it's if the condition is alnum. If checking the condition is alnum, if all the characters in strings are alphanumeric, it checks the it's all the characters in the strings are alphanumeric. Okay, alpha and numeric. Okay, both character and numeric character. It checks the if there at least one character, it returns it is true. Okay, if at least if you are giving a for example hi 2 3 4, it is a combination of alpha and numeric. Hi, hi. If suppose if it is condition is alnum, the input is hi 1 2 3. So it is a true statement. It return is it is returns a true value. Suppose is if your input is only high, it returns also true because at least and there is a at least one character. It's also it returns true. Next one is alpha functions. Is alpha functions. It's checking the condition is alphabet. All the characters in strings are alphabet. It checks the all the characters in the strings are alphabet. Next one is digits. Okay, is digits. It's all the characters and strings are. It contains only a number. It returns true if strings contains only a number character. Okay, numbers is lower. It returns true if all characters in strings are lowercase letter. Next function is upper. It returns true. Returns true means what? If condition is checking, once it is condition satisfied with the functions, it is returns a true value. It's what is a function's conditions function value means what? So all the characters are lowercase, all the characters are uppercase. The given character is uppercase. The condition is checking if the given characters are uppercase, so it is written true. Okay. The next one is space. The return true if string contains only white space character. String contains only if you giving the space uh, within the strings. If written, then the time we can return the true value. Okay. So for example, a equal to input, enter any string. Enter any string. So what is a string here? Python. So Python for alphanumeric function. What is alnum checking? Is alnum checking if any one character present in the string, any one character present in the string, it returns the true value. Okay, if any one character, so is alnum, it's a combination of alpha and numeric, or otherwise it's any one character present in the string, also it returns true. So what is the output here? It is true. Next one is alpha. Alpha is alpha. It is only alphabet. Okay, it returns true. Next one is digit. Is digits, it is only digit value. It's, the given string present only the digit value. So it is false. The output is false. Next one is lower. It is all the given character, all characters are lowercase. Oh yes, it is a lowercase letter, so it is true. The given character is upper. If the given character is uppercase, no, it is written false. Okay, so this is the way we have to call the uh, function. The function we have to call the program. This is called the method. Using the variable, we have to call the function is called the method. So searching for substring. So ends with, starts with, find, count. These functions, it is a substring functions. It is a searching for the substring. So ends with, so it's ends with function. It returns it. In Microsoft Word also we can use these functions. See what is a function? So find function. So find function to find the particular word, the particular word. So returns the lowest index -1 if substring not found. So count function returns the number of occurrences of substrings. So total number of character present in the string. So total number of characters present in the string. So suppose if you're searching the word H letter means in the total one paragraph of one paragraph of word. So we searching letter H. So how many H present in the paragraph? So it returns the how many H present in the paragraph. So the count function is it returns the number of occurrences of substrings. Starts with returns true if the string starts with the substrings. Ends with it returns true if the strings ends with the substrings. For example, the Python programming the ends with the programming. You're searching the ends with key. The program ing value. You search the way ing it returns the ing values, ing words. Starts with function. It returns true if the string starts with the substrings. See, for example, here a equal to input. Enter any string. The user has to give the input here. Print a string ends with thon. Is the string ends with thon. So what is input is welcome to Python. The user yeah, the given input is welcome to Python. The string ends with thon. Yes, yes, it is true. A string starts with good. No, it is starts with what is starts with wel, or sorry, the string starts with the py. The starts with pyt. Okay, false. So total, find the total number of character. So total number of character is 12. Count is 3. So count is 3 because repeated count, total number of words, it is a 3. Okay, welcome to Python. So next one is a string modules. String modules contains a number of functions to process standard Python strings. So mostly used string modules test string upper, string split, string join, string replace, string find, string count. It is um, um, this is a functions are, it is already stored in the Python library. We can call anywhere of my program. So upper function, split function, join function, replace function, find function, count functions. Okay, anywhere of my program we can call the built-in functions. So import string. So string module means, so this is a string module. We have to use the upper, lower, split, join. These functions we have to use now. Before the program starting, we have to include the import string function. We have to include it. Okay, import string. Text equal, text is a variable equal to um, month in Python flying circus. So within the double quotes, this is within the double quotes written some value. It is displayed one. Okay, print upper, string dot print upper of text. What is a text holds? It is a monthly print Python flying circus. Print lower, lower function returns the lower case. Split, it returns a split the text value. Join, it's join the two splitted value. It can join the join function used to join the two values. Replace function, it returns the old value to replace to new one. Find functions, total number of value present in the given input. So count is a total number of character present in the in searching character present in the given input. So input is monthly flying circus. It is uppercase. All the characters are uppercase here, and lower is lower functions retency. All the characters are lower function here, and then split function is, we can split each and every word is splitted. The split function used to split the each and every word. Then join function is used to join, used for plus operator. Okay, or otherwise we can call concatenation operator. It is a plus operator. Either join function or otherwise you can use for plus functions, concatenation operation. Then replace function, it is old value replace to new one. The only Python flying circus, it is a old one. The new one is a Python only Java flying circus. The Python replace to Java, it is a new value. Find total total uh, values present in the text. What is a Python? It is a p. So total value, it is a 7. So count value, it is a totally, it is 3. So what is n? N is a how many times present in the n value? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. So Monty Python flying circus, MON. The first Monty is 1, and Python another one, 2, another one is a flying N. So totally it is count N value. It serves a N value. It is totally it is 3. The count is 3. Okay. Okay. So this is a Python strings. Next one is a Python functions. Python function. Python functions. It's a sub-programs. It is a larger program divided into smaller parts. So you can perform a specific task. Okay. So yeah, the functions is nothing but it is a sub-program. Okay. So a function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. We can pass data. It is we can pass within the parentheses. We can pass the data. It is called a parameter into a function. A function can return a data. Here we have two types of functions. One is a um, built-in function. Another one is a user-defined function. So built-in function is already I said it is a built-in function is nothing but it is a function written and stored in the Python library. We can call anywhere of my programs. User-defined functions, that functions defined it by ourselves. Okay, see. Um, so, most programs perform tasks that large enough to be broken down into subtasks. So, large program can be cut it into smaller parts. Okay, the smaller one we can call anywhere of a program. This is the method is called it is a divided contour. The large setup it is divided into small part and finally combine the all the functions. Okay, so defining functions is nothing but how we have to define a function. So first we have to use a def keyword in defining functions. We have to use the def keyword. See some of the rules to for apply the defining a functions, both variables and functions. You cannot use any Python keywords for giving the defined function name. See, you must use the def keyword and then def and function name. That is a user defined function. See, this is the way we have to. This is an example def my function. The my function is a user defined function. Okay, my function is a user defined function. This user defined function have to give the some rules. See, we cannot give the keyword and all. See, this is the def keyword. It is a this is the way we have to use the um, defining a functions and open and closing parenthesis and the uh, uh, end of the function it is defined a colon. Okay, colon operator. So this is the way we have to define a function. So def my function. The my function we can use a user defined function. The you can use any name. So but the name is a combination of either character and number and the character number and only the special character underscore alone you can use. Other the special character are not used. Okay, within the function we can write some sentence or some calculations or some block of code we can write within the functions. Okay, so within the functions means we give the some space and inside the functions we have to write the some sentence. What is the sentence here? Printed from within the double quotes we write within the double quotes we written some statement. No, this is a printable statements. The user can uh, view the part. So next part, this is a defining function. Next one is a calling the function. So calling the function. What is the function name here? Is a my function. So the my function you can call anywhere of your program. What is a my function returns here? So this print statement, this function, my function returns, it is a print statement. What is a print statement? Printed from inside a function. Printed from inside a function. This statement is uh, reflected everywhere of your program. Okay, to call a function, use a function name. To call a function, use a function name followed by parenthesis. Okay. Next one is some nodes and functions. When you run a function, you can say it's call it. So once a function has completed, Python will return back to the line directly after the initial function call. Okay, so flow of execution. The first, this is a where we are writing the code. This is a simple code, not using the function. So, print will come. So for x in range of 3. This is a looping statements already. The last two session you studied, I think. So for x in range of 3, print of x. So it is a for is a looping statement. So print of and next one is a goodbye. So flow of execution. So what is the first statement printer? It is the print statement. So directly the control goes to here print of what is the print statement returns the welcome. Next control goes to the next line for x in range of 3. X value. What is x value? Print of x. Next one, x value. X it is initially starts with 0 to up to 3. The 0 to 3. So how many times it prints welcome? 0, 0, 1 up to 3. 2. Next one is goodbye. Why? Because so first question is 0, 1. The condition is true. What is for x in value? It is zeros. So range 3. It is a n value. It is a n value. It is 3 means start value. It is obviously it is a 0. So starting value 0 to 0 in range 3. Then print x. What is x holds? It is 0. So first character 0 is printed here. Next one is x value 1. 1 x value here 1 in range of x value 1 in range of 3. Oh yes, condition is true. Next print of x. What is f x holds? It is 1. Next one is x value incremented. So x value 2. X in range 2. Condition is true. The print of x is 2. Next value 3. 3 in range of 3. 3 in range of. So condition is failed. Then next question is goodbye. So next statement is goodbye. It printed statement. It is. So this is a looping statement. So similarly, the flow of execution with the functions. It is a normal statement using the looping looping statement. So flow of execution with functions. So this is a code. How we define the function? We have to use a def keyword. This is a user-defined function. Hello is a user-defined function. Hello function within open and close parenthesis and colon. Within the function, we return some code here. Print hi there. I am a function. Next print statement. I am a function. Next print statement. This is a we are giving some space right here. This is a indentation. Okay. So print of good morning and print welcome to class. Another two print statement. Next hello function. This is a calling function. Next one is a print and now we are done. So first control executes what? First the flow of execution with the function is it please. So first line will execute def hello. Okay, def hello. Next flow of execution move to the print good morning. See, this is within the function. This is this is hi there is within the function. This is out of the function. Okay. Next one is welcome to class. Good morning. Welcome to class. Next statement is this one. Hello. Okay. Hello contains what the statement contains. Hello. Hi there. I am a function. This function hello function executes. Hi there. I am a function. Okay. See. Hi there. See. Hi there. I am a function. Next one is finally print now we are done. Now we are done. Why? Because see the function hello function, the calling function where we return in the program that the line only execute first. Okay, that the line only execute first. See first directly the calling function alone executed. Okay, so the hello function holds a value what? These two print statement. The hello function holds a statements is hi there I am a function. The first executes it is. So directly calling function load executed. This is a out of the function. This is within the function. Print hi there and I am a function. It is a within the function. Hello function holds the statements. Print good morning and welcome to class. These two statements it is a out of the function. So it is executed first. Okay. Next one is a multiple function. So multiple function is see multiple functions. It is this function holds a value, this function holds a value, and call two functions. The first function returns a hello there, and second function returns say hi. See here. Okay. So so calling function inside function. Calling function inside function. So first define main function, and the control directly goes to here, and then message and print goodbye. So where is the calling function? Here the calling function. The main executes. I have a message for you, and message function returns the password is foo, and finally goodbye. Okay. The flow of execution. What is the output here? I have a message for you. First statement. Next statement. The password is foo, and third statement is goodbye. Okay. So some real-time challenges here. Write a program that prints a pattern to the right using functions. See the square pattern. So user control hello rectangle. Ask your user to height of your rectangle. So within the function we can write what is L value, what is R L value, B value. We can collect the values. Based on the values we can write the function. We can use the mathematical functions here. Then local variables. Local variables functions are like it is a mini program. We can create a variables inside a function just as you would be a main program. See, local variables, it's nothing but a variable declared inside the function is a local variable. Global variable, next variable is a global variable. Global variables is nothing but a variable declared outside the function. It is a global variable. See, okay. Local variable means a variable is declared inside the function. See, here. Declare inside. Here, def bugs is a function name, open and close parenthesis and colon. Numbugs is a variable name. Excuse me. Numbugs is a variable. It is a local variable. See why? Because it is declared inside the function. Suppose first numbugs equal to int input how many bugs. So this statement comes before defining the function. It is a global variable. Okay. So inside the function it is a the numbugs holds a statement what int input. The user input is it's stored in the numbugs. Okay. Then the control directly goes to the bugs for calling function. Bugs is a calling function. Okay. Bugs is a calling function. So see the variables that are defined inside a function are uh, considered the local variable. Okay. So local variables it is the this is a way inside the function we have to declare. We cannot call outside the function. The local variable we cannot call the outside the function. See, this is a bugs calling functions. The calling function executed. There, the print of numbers it will show the error. Why? Because in the numbers we cannot call the outside the function. We cannot call outside the function. Okay. So only the local variable scopes only it is used in the within the function. See, def due jersey function date number 6 is a variable. It is a local variable equal holds a value. It is 1000. Next, your number is equal to the another variable. It's not both are similar. It is a another variable. This is a, New Jersey function. It is a numbers variable. This numbers is totally different. This numbers it's used
ஏய் இதுவா
1000 and
ஊசி போடுறாங்க அம்மாவுக்கு.
this number holds a value it is 2000. So this calling function New Jersey function it returns a value 1000 and New York returns a value it is 2000. Okay, so two numbers are totally different. Next one is passing argument to the function. So passing arguments to the functions is within the parenthesis we can pass the value it is called the pass the variable it is a argument. So for example, see def square it is a user defined function. So within the parenthesis we can pass the variable it is called a it is a argument. So num is a argument. So print num into 2. It is assumes a value of num user defined function. So assumes of value. See, num is a variable. It is a num is a argument. The argument pass the value. It is 5. Okay, the square it is a calling function. Is the pass the value is 5. So what is the num value here? 5 into 2. What is the output here? It is 10. Okay, 5 to the 10. So passing arguments, it is a passing one or more arguments we can pass the functions. Okay, so passing multiple argument to the functions, we can pass the multiple arguments. See, def average is a function, so we can pass the within the parenthesis we can pass the multiple arguments num1, num2, num3. The num1, num2, num3 it's a whole some value here average of 100, 90, 92. If they pass the value, it is the passing value. It is a passing arguments. This is passing argument and this is pass the value. Passing values. Okay. What is num value? Sum equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. What is num1 wholes? 100, num2 90, num3 and 92. So what is the average here? The sum divided by 3. It is a print average. It execute the statement. So programming challenges. Write a function that accepts a restaurant check the tip percentage. Print out the tip that should be left on the table as well as the total bill. The tip is less than 50%. You should tell the user that they might want to leave little more on the table. See, this is a conditions. Based on this condition we can write a functions. So based on the condition we can write a program if tip is more than bill amount. So we can the tip is not more than the bill amount. So we can apply the condition here based on the conditional statement we can use within the function. Okay, so this is a mathematical formula we can use for distance formula used for math function x1 x2 plane programming challenges for C. Next to programming challenges, write a joke generator that prints out a random knock knock joke. So someone if write a drum roll function that passes a program for dramatic effect. So how the drum roll function accept the parameter and controls how long it should pass. So, the third person enter the knock knock question. The function should pass the value, pass the position. So we cannot call the function directly. Argument mechanics. So the functions holds a value. V is a argument and pass a V value. It is a V equal to 10. So my argument is a change the value. We can change the position also. So next one is a global variable. The variable declared outside the function is called the global variable. See, this is a def show name. It is a function defined here, but is a name equal to Obama. It is a name is declared outside the function. This is a print statement. It is inside the function. The name equal to Obama is outside. The name is a variable. This variable is called global variable. Why? Because it is declared outside the function. The calling function show name. What is a show name returns? It is returns the what is the name here? Prints a function name. It returns the see global name. We can use anywhere of your global name. We can use anywhere of your program. Okay, global variable. So only local variable we can access only the local functions. Okay, only that functions only allowed we can use for the variable. The global variable either inside and outside, both inside and outside the you can use the variable. Okay. Value returning function. Okay. So value returning functions, every function returns some value. So we can use a return statement here. So if my functions from argument 1 and argument 2, this is the way we have to define a function. Within the function, we can write the statement and finally return expression. Return statement. It returns a value. Uh, so void means it returns a null value. Okay. The call in the function first execute the return value calling the function return value of my function of the passing value is argument 1 is 10, argument 2 is 50. Okay, so returning function is it returns a value, it returns a value. So this is a if this function x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Return x comma y means what? What is the return value? It is 5 and y is 10. So p comma q equal to test function. It is a test function executes a value. It is a p value also assign the x value. What is x value? 5 and y value q value it is a 10. Okay. Okay, I'll stop up to this.